Let's set up Google Cloud credentials for n8n in under 3 minutes. So, you are building your AI agent for Google Calendar, but now you're stuck because the credentials are missing. Let's fix it. Open your Google Calendar module, click Select Credentials, and then Create New Credential. You will see the OAuth 2 setting page with missing client ID and client secret. Check the docs for next steps. Follow the instructions and create a Google Cloud account. When you are ready, go to console. Click the button next to Google Cloud logo and select your project or create a new one. I will create new and I will call it n8n demo. Click create. If you create one, make sure to select it when it's created. Next, enable APIs. In the console, go to APIs and Services and enable APIs and Services. Here, click Enable APIs and Services. Search for the service you need. In our case, Google Calendar. But you can enable any API you need, like Google Docs, Drive, etc. Now, when it's ready, we need to set up consent screen. Again, to APIs and Services, OAuth consent screen, and click on Get Started. Fill the required fields, name, select the contact email, and click Next. On the audience page, choose between internal, which requires paid Google Workspace, and external. Let's use external. Next, fill your contact address, click Next, agree to data policy, click Continue and Create. Okay, external apps start in testing mode. If you have a Gmail account and not Google Workspace account, add it as test user over here. In test mode, you may need to reauthorize your credentials from time to time. To avoid this, you can publish app or make it internal. Both actions are available on the audience page. Next, we need to create the credentials. So again, APIs and Services, credentials. Click Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. As application type, we need to choose Web Application. Again, give it a name. Now, switch back to our n8n, copy OAuth redirect URL, again back to Google Cloud, and add it in authorized redirect URIs. Paste it and click Create. Now, copy and paste your client ID and secret ID back to your n8n. Remember, if you closed this pop-up, you can always go back and see your credentials going on, clicking on the client name, and you will have client ID and secret over here. Finally, you sign in with Google button and authorize the access. As you can see, connection is successful. This window will close automatically, so we can go back and we can see account created. We can even check that we can see our calendar. Great, you are set and good to go. You can do the same to other Google services. Just remember to enable the related API in Google Cloud Console. Thanks. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Drop your question in the comments. Thanks.